magiging baby nyo ay isang lalaki. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Alan.
Okay, we have to take a little break because today is the deadline of the gender guessing of Roz and Alan. So I'm guessing for a girl. It's a baby, beautiful girl.
Boy or baby girl?
Baby boy.
Baby boy. Ikaw, kuya, baby boy or baby girl?
Boy.
Boy. Ate, baby boy or baby girl?
Baby girl.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw. Ba't baby boy?
May Alan.
Sabi ko lalaki.
Lalaki? Ay, bakit lalaki?
Ay, lumabas ay lalaki.
Lalaki ang malabas? Hindi pa nalabas?
Hindi pa.
Oo. Ano nga ni?
Lalaki.
Bakit? Hindi ko rin alam. Yun lang ang hula mo.
Ayos na po, wawa. Hindi na kaganon.
Hula lang.
Yan.
Hula na. Ayaw mo ng babae?
Gusto rin. Kasi may ginang lalaki panganay.
Dapat lalaki ang panganay. Ikaw man din ay lalaki lahat.
Oo.
Babae.
Final answer.
Babae.
Final answer.
Babae nga.
Hi, Lucel. Hi, Alan. I guess it's a boy kasi parang may clue na dun sa cake. Baby S ba? SS?
Secret Santa.
San?
I guess it's a girl because I want to contradict Mama. I guess it's a boy as well.
Ang gender mo?
Hello, nandito kami ngayon sa Kuala Lumpur
Tower! Ang init. Anong hula mo?
It's a girl.
Baby girl. Ang hula niya. Ang hula ko, baby boy. Grabe din yung makatayo. Makatakot.
So, anong guess mo doon sa gender ng anak ni Lalan?
Boy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why you said boy? You want boy?
Yes.
Hi, Kuya. Hi, Ate. I wish your baby can be a boy so you can protect him and give him healthy and food. Thank you. Bye.
Your guess is a boy?
Yes.
Mommy's guess is a girl.
No, pray for her. Pray for
Look.
Oh my gosh!
All right, so what's your guess? A boy or a girl? Come on, Christian. Tita Ita's guess is a girl. She's gonna have a girl.
Oh gosh, I'm just like thinking of a lot of anime shows now.
Okay, my guess is a girl. Okay, for me it's a girl.
For every anime show I know, it's always first two boys and then one girl.
So a boy.
I'm gonna go with a boy.
Okay, all right. Let's see. Tell Kuya Alden and Ate Bamba. Kuya Alden. Yeah, I know, right? Alden.
A boy.
Okay.
It's gonna be a
All
boy.
right, let's see. Okay.
If not,
It's a girl.
it's a girl.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So Ate Bamba is gonna have a baby. What do you think her baby's gonna be? A boy or a
him
girl?
first.
Him first. What do you think? Just from looking at that picture.
I have
look
a
at your-
boy.
Oh, you think it's a boy. What about you?
I think it's Kuya, a girl.
A girl. My guess is a girl too. So we will know.
Let's see.
When is her due? We don't know yet. So, yeah, my guess is girl. Julita is girl. Theo said it's a boy.
I have poopies. I have a boy.
Okay. Say, congratulations, Ate Bamba.
Congratulations, Ate Bamba. Congratulations, Ate Bamba. Bamba.
Bamba.
Wait, let me say it again.
Bye.
Bye.
Go to bed.
Ayan.
Hi! Ako si Lola Tess. Para sa akin, Rosel, baby boy yan. Kaya, sa team boy ako.
Game.
Hi, ako si Tita Lia Rosel dito sa Toronto, Canada. Ang boboto lang ako, ang boto ko ay boy. Yun, nakikita kong lalabas na healthy boy.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much.
Malaman na daw mamaya yung gender. Malalaman na yung gender. Oo. Ano hula mo? Lalaki? Si Papa? Wow. Si Ate Marie? Wow. KJ kayo.
Anong guess nyo?
Ako, girl. Boy. Ako noong pa boy, hindi nagbabago.
Ano kaya?
Boy.
Ay, nako ka. Jasmine, ano ba? Game. What? Wow. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh.